client with their production and inventory control. They had no idea what their inventories were. They weren't capturing any production times, so everything was just a mess. They actually had people going out every day counting all of the inventory so that they knew what they had to do as far as creating new shop orders. We put into place a shop floor manager and started capturing the times and moving inventory through the system as it's supposed to be done. And so now they have a more reliable production inventory control system.
We recently implemented shop floor manager and inventory control, which I can say is got our personnel that are responsible for that area sort of beaming ear to ear with the new functionality that Odyssey has provided. We're essentially not losing parts between production and shipment. We've got a much finer control over inventory statuses, work in progress, that kind of thing, and that's resulted in improvement with customer satisfaction, but also on the finance side, just better accounting around what's work in progress, what's finished goods.